Ang mga lucky players natin ngayon, hindi pwedeng questionin pagdating sa sayawan, sa hatawan. Pero magamit kaya nila ang talent nila para makakuha ng magandang offer mula kay Banker. Let's find out. Welcome to Kapamilya, Deal or No Deal? Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, Kapamilya. At syempre, my lucky stars, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Palapakan natin mga lucky stars natin. Nag-e-enjoy na kasi tayo. Dahil ang ating mga lucky players, sila ang dalawa sa magiging judges o dance masters. Pero ang tanong, tama kaya maging judgment nila sa pagpili ng kanilang magiging lucky briefcase? Please welcome the dance expert. We have Sir Andy Alves and the choreographer to the stars, Teacher Jercel.
Hello, please.
Good afternoon, dito na tayo.
Hello, guys. Hambayang.
Okay, welcome sa Deal or No Deal. Dito ang gusto ko mamaya, may pilian ng briefcase, gusto ko may kanta, gusto ko may sayawan mamaya. That is why you're here. But alam ko you have something very special for all of us, which is Dance Kids.
The very first original dance show here in the Philippines for kids.
Okay?
Mamimili kami ng mga
Ages?
batang ages 4 to 12.
4 to 12. Ikaw, Sir Andy, how was it being part of Dance Kids?
This is a dream come true for the dance community of the Philippines. We're looking for global artists who will be the pride of the Philippines in the dance community.
Kasi kasama nyo rin dito si Vong Navarro.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, pag sinabing Pinoy, the first fact you think of is we have the best singers.
Yes.
Pero for Dance Kids, papatunayan na bata pa lang, we can say that the Philippines, we also have the best
Yes.
dancers. Bago tayo magsimula, syempre gusto ko makita yung pinagmulan. Ikaw, Teach, paano nagsimula yung passion mo for dancing?
At 10 years old, I started already. I started dancing. Dance professionally at the age of 14.
14, professionally na kagad. Wow!
Hambang. Started choreographing at the age of 16.
16, nagko-choreo na.
Hambang.
Okay.
Yes, young choreographer. And then at 18, I was already handling concerts.
Wow!
Yeah.
In fact, nandito ang ibang mga G-Force, di ba?
Yes, G-Force, thank you for
nandyan
the
sila.
support.
Ikaw, Sir Andy, paano mo na-discover yung passion mo for dancing?
Okay, ayoko mag-ROTC and I wanted to be exempted from PE and
Okay.
I wanted a scholarship.
Gosh, you're
Okay.
so honest.
Yes, so nag-apply ako sa Salingawi Dance Troupe ng UST.
Hambang.
Okay, so from there on, that's when you realized na nasa puso ang pagsayaw.
Oo, na-obsessed na talaga ako sa dancing. Then, I went to New York and Los Angeles to train. Then, we put up Whiplash. Then, we did all the concerts. Then, I choreographed Binibining Pilipinas for 7 years.
Wow!
And then I was asked to join Miss Saigon as resident choreographer for Asia. Yeah.
Hindi, ang galing kasi, parang sabi ko nga sobrang at home ako. Kasi ako, I've been doing this for almost, siguro mga 13, 14 years. Kaya ko sabihin na ngayong hapon, makikita nyo kung bakit nandito ako sa industriyang to. Hindi hosting, hindi sa kanta, sa sayaw.
Hambang.
Sir Andy, Teacher G, 20 lucky stars, aling briefcase ang gusto niyong swerte para sa inyo?
6.
Ba? Bakit briefcase number 6 ang gusto niyong ilaban?
Kasi naghahanap ako ng sign, no, kung anong number. And then pagpasok ko sa dressing room ni Teacher G, binigyan niya ako ng number at kung bakit. And I was convinced completely.
Okay. So, ikaw nabigyan ng number, nadamay ka lang, technically.
Yes.
Damay.
I was, yun ang perfect,
Okay.
sign.
So, briefcase number 6.
Briefcase number 6.
Myrtle, pakibaba, please.
Ganda ang may lakad mo, ha? Okay. Come on, Myrtle. Hambang.
All right! Hello.
Thank you, Mika.
Thank you.
Briefcase number 6. Kung tama din yung pinili nyo, and if you go all the way till the end, pwede kayo manalo ng 1 million pesos. Woo! Peach, good luck. Senyor, good luck.
Thank you.
Let's start. Maglalaro na tayo ng Deal or No Deal. Ay, shit.
Parang hindi ako makapili.
Correct.
Bakit?
Ay.
Bakit?
Medyo, alam nyo kasi we're very visual.
Yes?
Oo, nabubusog kami, nagkakaroon kami ng energy pag may nakikita kaming movement.
Kailangan may konting galaw.
Kailangan may
We just
dance
wanna,
poses.
yeah, we just wanna see dance poses.
Dance poses.
Dance
Yeah.
poses.
Aba.
Yes. Ayan.
Post them. We choose briefcase number 14.
14 tayo. Negi, sayaw, Negi.
Show your moves.
Aba,
Ang bam!
Negi, open it please. Goodbye. 4 more. Sayo konti, Karen.
Bundel!
Open it, please.
Ah, it's okay, it's okay.
3 more.
15.
15 tayo. Aba. Kuya Eps, open it, please.
Oh!
400,000 pesos.
Oh, ganun pala yun, nakakabagsak na yun.
Sakit, di ba? Dito yan.
Oo.
2 more.
70.
Sandali. Sandali.
Ay!
Gusto ko ng katahimikan sa buong studio sa ipapakitang sayaw ni Kuya Jeric Rabal. Paminsan-minsan lang yan. Ayo. 17?
Yes.
17!
Kuya Jeric, open it please.
Galing!
Alright!
Last one for this round.
60.
Op, sayaw muna. Oh.
Yeah!
Bombay!
Kuya Bunel, open it please.
Lower, please!
Yes!
Oh my God!
Oh.
Alright!
Good afternoon, Banker. Mabuti naman daw meron tayong dance kits dahil napakaraming magagaling sumayaw na bata talaga sa Pilipinas. Sana maka-inspire pa raw kayo ng napakaraming mga bata.
Yes.
Thank you.
Humble.
Banker's first offer, 41,400 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Turn.
1, 2, 3!
No deal!
Aba?
Five!
Yeah!
Si Kuya Gary, may sayaw ba si Kuya Gary? Pwede mo makita yung sample mo ng inasin na bulate? Kaya ba yon?
Minsan ko lang ginagawa.
Okay, minsan mong ginagawa.
Oo.
Oh, music please.
Humble!
Mula
I
sa
love
amin lahat, wag na wag mo nang ulitin yon, Kuya Gary. Marami. Palabahan sa Kuya Gary sa kanyang Salted Earthworm Dance. 4 cases. Isama niyo sa usapan. Ano ba usapan natin dyan?
Why? Sir Andy, grabe ka, ha? Binubulong niya yung number 13.
Aba,
Alam mo ba?
iba pala ang taste mo.
Bakit di mo partneran, Sir Andy? Bakit di mo siya partneran?
Okay,
Let's
Heden,
go.
pwede pa hawak please ang briefcase number 13.
Jazz to, jazz.
Ayan, Sir Andy. Aba, maganda to.
Ah!
Ready? Okay.
May insurance ba
Music
siya?
please.
Ah!
Yeah!
I love it!
Si
I
Miss
love
Tanya, ang pinakabagong kasama sa Pasyon de Amor. yes. So, Dance Masters, anong briefcase tayo?
We
We
choose.
choose briefcase number 13.
Miss Tanya, pakibuksan,
Pasyon.
please. 5,000 pesos.
Pwede.
Ang
Yes.
galing.
3 more.
G-Force Unique. Come on, show them your moves. Come on.
Ito, may baon to,
Come
may
on.
baon to.
Alright.
Humble.
Ito, dapat nyo makita to.
Let's do this fast.
Nasanay
Okay.
tayo sa ASAP kasi made up sila at lahat.
Yes.
Pero now you get to see what they really have
Okay,
and how they
come on,
really
let's
look.
start with Eljon. Come on. Let's go.
Oh!
On fire. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go, Red. On fire. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Negi!
Oh my God.
Dali. Sorry. Bago natin ituloy yung case, may dalawa akong salita na gusto ko maulit. Kuya Long. Banal!
Wow.
Eto, malupit to.
Oh.
oh.
Maggie, excuse me.
Ayan. Oh, ready? Music.
What's that?
Palapan natin, G-Force Unique.
Sandali.
Thank you, guys! Exiting!
Thank you.
Negi, Pailong, thank you. Tuloy, 3
Three
cases.
cases.
Okay. Briefcase number 12.
Boom! Aba. Aba.
Nakakatakot yung popping.
Wow.
Lower!
Open it, please.
Lower! Lower!
Lower!
I kind of sense that.
1
Oh,
million pesos.
grabe. Nakakapagsa.
2 more.
Okay. Ang komikero ng masa.
Eric.
Ay! Ha! Ah!
Oh, pwede.
Briefcase number 18.
Okay,
Yes.
Randy?
Okay.
Yes.
Eric, open it, please.
Lower! Lower!
Lower. Yay.
50,000 pesos.
Okay lang.
Last one for this round.
10.
May baon yan, Bea.
Lower.
Oh my gosh! Working!
Anong nangyari?
Bea, open it, please.
Lower, please. Lower. Oh.
100,000 pesos.
Okay. Okay.
Banker. Yung round daw na yun, pagsasayawan, walang ka-tsempo-tsempo. Yung round na yun. Thank you. Banker's offer is now 22,000 pesos. Deal or no deal? Ready?
Go, Sir Andy!
Big!
Oh, five!
No deal!
No deal!
Okay, 3 cases.
Yeah, we're okay with 19.
Briefcase number
Okay.
19, kay Long.
Choose briefcase number 19.
Pakibuksan, please.
Lower!
Lower! Lower!
Oh.
2 more.
1.
Uno! Kuya Yubes, pakibuksan, please. Yes! 1,000 pesos. Okay.
Pwede.
Tanggal 1,000 pesos. Last one for this round.
Okay for 20.
Sir Andy, okay sa 20?
Okay ako 20.
Brother Archie, pakibuksan, please.
Mababa yan.
Lower, please. Lower. Lower.
What was that?
500,000
1,000
pesos.
Oh my God!
Backer,
OMG.
may challenge ka para kay Teacher. Okay? Ang gusto ni Banker, makita kayong sumayaw na wala sa beat.
Contemporary.
Pwede.
Pwede.
Sinkopado.
Okay?
Sinkopado,
Sir Andy,
let's go.
teach dito tayo.
Hambim.
Oo. Sumayaw na wala sa tempo. Music, please. Wala, magaling pa rin. Magaling pa rin. Wala, lumalabas talaga eh.
Ang hirap naman, banker. Ang hirap nun, ha?
Okay, challenge eh. Parang ilaro nyo daw, walang ka-challenge para sa kanya. Thank you. The banker's offer is now 7,500 pesos.
Ano ba yun?
Deal or no deal?
No deal!
No deal!
We're still
No
having fun.
deal!
Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. On five.
2 cases.
Briefcase number 11.
11.
Briefcase number 11, Kuya
Swan
Gary.
Lake.
Open it, please. Hey, 300 pesos. Goodbye.
Pwede, pwede.
One more.
Briefcase number
Number
5.
5.
Open it, please.
You have to dance. You have to dance. Dance, dance, dance. Love it.
100
Love it.
pesos. Goodbye. Banker? Si teacher? Okay. Ikaw daw, Teach, meron kang crush na crush?
Uy, grabe.
Wait, para klaro lang, bukod sa akin. Okay,
Oh
bukod
my
sa akin.
gosh.
Sino? Si Bamboo. Sobrang okay. Thank you. Banker's offer is now 15,000 pesos.
Tumaas ng konti.
Deal or no deal?
No deal!
Deal.
One case. Oh, may sinasabi. Negi. Dali, dali. Negi.
Ako napansin ko lang kasi, puro beauty queen yan.
Oh. Ba't may pwesto na kagad to?
Ha?
Bakit may pwesto na kagad si Kuya Onin?
Tanggalin nyo na yung penguin.
So, paano? Negi, sandali. So, para klaro lang,
sa akin.
paano yung sayaw ni Kuya Onin?
Habibit yan. Yung paa niya, nangusa niya. Ganun lang yan. Pag kumembot siyang, gugulong yan. I love you, Kuya On.
We choose briefcase number 2.
Briefcase number 2.
Guys.
Sa ating sexy librarian. D, open it please.
Floor, please! Briefcase!
Banker,
In fairness sa atin,
thank you. Okay, weird. Banker's offer is now 30,000 pesos.
Uy, pwede. Yes.
Deal or no deal?
No deal.
No deal. No deal.
Long, may naisip ka.
Yung mga nagagandahan natin mga dilag, huwag sanang maaksidente.
Aksidente, bakit?
Sino ba nilagay ng gasol doon?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Kung ano ka ba hindi ang gasol?
Ano yan?
Washing machine!
Thank you,
Oh my God.
One case.
7!
Briefcase number 7, MJ.
Miller!
Open it, please.
Yeah!
Banker? Si Banker, inaabangan ng sayo ko. Thank you.
OMG.
Banker's offer is now 40,000 pesos.
Uy.
Deal or no deal?
Please!
No deal!
No deal!
One case.
3.
Mutya!
Yes!
Sayaw!
Please, please.
Oh,
Please!
open it, please.
Lower, lower!
Banker? Thank you. Banker's offer is now 52,000 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Hindi kami mag-give
No
up.
deal!
No
No deal! No
No
deal!
deal! No deal! No deal!
Dalawa na lang. One case.
Kumusta na natin si number 8?
Kuya Onin, pasample ka. Hawakan ko na to. Okay, hawakan ko na to.
Ay! Ang
Aba?
taray!
Aba, jump pa talaga, ha? Kuya Onin, pakibuksan, please.
Piso!
Lower, please! Lower!
Hello, Banker? Kahit ano pa yung desisyon nyo, ang importante ngayong hapon ay makita pa rin sumayaw si Yam Concepcion. Palapakan natin, Miss Yam Concepcion! Oh.
wala sa Tiger.
Okay.
Ang laki nung inambag mo sa industriya ng sayaw. Thank you. Banker's offer is now 93,000 pesos. Pag nag-no deal kayo, whatever's inside, that's the amount you take home. Pag no deal. 93,000 pesos is Banker's last offer. Deal or no deal?
1, 2, 3. No deal!
Good luck, Peach. Yanni, good luck.
Oh.
Okay. Mas nakaka-tensyon kasi malaki yung talon eh. Mula 200,000 tapos 5 piso. Ang laman
200.
ng briefcase number 6
200!
ay
200.
200! 200! 200!
pesos yan. Open it, please. Peach, Trendy, how was it playing Deal or No Deal?
This is the best moment of my life.
Thank you very much. Peach,
We were like auditioning again, ha?
Yes.
Para siyang, iba yung feeling pag bumagsak, parang manghihina ka pero lalaban ka ulit.
At dahil-
Lalaban at lalaban
at
ka.
dahil sa laban na yon, 200,000 pesos. And don't forget, always applaud and appreciate all the dancers sa lahat ng variety shows. The unsung heroes, kaya nagpapaganda ng palabas ang ABS-CBN dahil sa ating mga napakagaling dancers. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tama lang na lumalaban. We'll see you again next time dito pa rin sa Kapamilya, Deal or No Deal.